Hello everyone. Myself Shlok Majumdar with my friend Vijay Borate have prepared a project on the topic weather forecast application. So let's get started. The technologies that we have used in our project are HTML to design the structure of our website, CSS for styling and formatting our website, JavaScript to make our website more functional, Bootstrap to make our website responsive, OpenWeatherMap API to fetch all the weather related data, and finally we have used 000 web host to deploy our website online. Now suppose user searches for the weather of a city named Vienna and presses enter. So all the current weather related information of the city Vienna will be displayed to the user. Now we can also notice that the background of our app is changing depending on the type of weather. Now if the user searches for a wrong city, so a prompt will be displayed naming enter correct city name. Now if user wants the weather forecast of any other city for the next upcoming days, so he can simply press the weather forecast button. By clicking the weather forecast button, we can see that the weather forecast of Indore for the next few days will be sunny, cloudy, and so on. Similarly, here user can search for weather of any other cities also. Like for example, if we type London, then here the weather forecast details of London city of upcoming days are displayed. And we can also see that it is responsive since it is zooming out. Now further functioning of our app will be explained by Vijay.
Hello. So now let us talk about the functionality of the app. So moving with the first functionality that we have implemented is Bootstrap. We have used Bootstrap to make our app responsive. So when the user zoom in, the useless information which are not needed is been hidden, and when the user zoom out, so the information all is displayed in the app. So our app is responsive, means it can be opened on mobile as well as Windows. The information which is useless is hidden. Now moving towards the next functionality is JavaScript functionality. We have made a search box in which the user enters the city name. So we have used JavaScript keycode dot event dot keycode is equals to 13, which tells that enter key is pressed. So on pressing the enter key, the fetch function of weather API is called. This function takes three input parameter. First one is weather API URL, then city name which the user gets from the search box, and then weather API key. This weather API key is given by Open Weather Map API. So this function fetches the weather related data of any particular city and displays in our weather app. And on clicking the weather forecast button, you can see that the next page shows the detailed weather forecast of 5 next cities. Our this page is also responsive, as if we zoom in, so it automatically adjusts itself according to the screen width size. So our application is comfortable in mobile view also. Thank you.